Convoy 4481, turn 10 degrees left, access for traffic.
Dick Rochfort here, aboard the M600 with a split screen MFD. We've displayed radar next to NEXRAD, and you can see there's some differences. What we're painting on the NEXRAD is not in our way, but I wanted to show you what that might look like if you were painting it with weather radar. First thing I point out is that at this altitude, that weather really isn't a threat to us. So if it were a threat, it'd be even more dramatic here. But after we get past this next event here, we're going to make the left turn back direct to Tango 82.
Maybe a little stronger once in a while. How about higher? You getting any reports up above us?
There's people complaining about the weather. Go figure. So if we wanted to paint this little guy here, we could do that by covering it with a bearing pointer and then switching to the vertical profile. And then there is a little perturbation right here that you can see, and a few even closer here, which correspond to this weather here. And I apologize, it's not that dramatic. It was more dramatic with the last set, but we were lollygagging and not paying close attention. In fact, I wasn't even going to go around it. But ATC called us and said the weather was there, so we had permission to turn before we even asked. And as you may know, you don't need permission to turn away from weather that you know is nasty. All you need is the E word, and that's be perfectly okay. Controllers are mostly quite gracious with their turns and their headings. They know we have color weather radar and NEXRAD, and they know we're well trained and able to make the changes.
2 Sierra Tango.
And 2 Sierra Tango, entry back is 3242.
3242, 2 Sierra Tango. 2 Sierra Tango.
Got 302, Charlie Victor, 300.
And give them the last 4 digits of the frequency. If you're switching, sometimes he has more than 2 or 3.
Delta 508, contact left at 132.37.
3237, Delta 508 today.
All right, so looking out the looking out the window, we're needing a left turn to get back to Tango 82. Here's how we might do that. We know the old bearing to Tango 82, so let's recenter the needle. You can do that. So proceed direct, don't turn, just proceed direct Tango 82. So Tango 82, activate, yep. I might have gone direct to the -5 mile point, that way you wouldn't lose your vertical nav, but we can redo that. You can see that little spot is still right there, inside of 10 miles,
Yep, we're up at 310.
right there, and that corresponds to this guy right here. And they're in slightly different places, but good enough. And so now that that's past us, we could make the turn if we wanted, knowing not only with this information, but with the Mark 1 eyeballs, in my case Mark 2 eyeballs, actually Mark 3, I have interocular multifocal lenses. We're ready to make the turn. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.